Hello, in this video I want to introduce you guys to my Camera RAW presets that are going to help you color grade your images faster, especially for those that shoot outdoor images in Photoshop and Camera RAW in particular. So the very first thing I want to show you guys is how you can easily import your presets into the Camera RAW filter or the Camera RAW plugin to process and color grade your images faster using my Omega Camera RAW preset pack. So this pack contains around 8 presets, and I'm going to be showing you guys later on in this video how they work and how I use them to color grade this very nice and beautiful image. So for those interested, you can click on the link in the description of this video, or you can check the pinned comment in the comment section to check out or purchase these Camera RAW presets, and they can as well work for you in Lightroom if at all you use Lightroom to edit your images. So I'll show you guys how we transform this image from looking like this to looking like this. So you can see before and after, and this is just with a single click. So I'm just going to turn this off, then I'm going to come to my process or what I did for the retouching and everything. Then what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to create a stamp visible layer for all the things I did, including the retouching. So by hitting Shift Alternate Command E on the keyboard to create a stamp visible layer for the processes below this stamp visible layer. So the very first thing is importing this into, the very first thing is going to be importing, or how to import this into Photoshop or Camera RAW. So I'm just going to close this for a while. So in order to import them into your Camera RAW filter, like personally I use Mac, but if at all you use, for example, Windows, you can go to your local disk and look for Adobe and Photoshop, look for Camera RAW and copy and paste them into the presets option. But if at all you use Mac like I do, you have to simply come right here. I hope you can see the word go right here. So when you click on it and hold down the alternate key, so you can see that when you hold down the alternate key or you press it down, you can see that it introduces a library option right here. So when you release it, you can see that it disappears completely. So in order to copy these presets, I'm just going to close this first of all. I'm just going to right click on the presets and make sure I copy them. Then I'm going to come back to Go, and I'm going to simply hold down the alternate and click on library right here. So when I click on that, it's going to open this right here. So by default, you're going to be having these options right here. So in order to go into Camera or locate it under your library, you're going to simply come and open application support, and under that you're going to have to locate Adobe right here. So when you open Adobe, under it you're going to be having Camera RAW right here, and when you open Camera RAW and you scroll down, you have where it says settings. I hope you can see the setting option right here. So under setting, that is where we want to paste our presets. So I'm just going to simply right click, and I could paste my settings, my Camera RAW presets under this option right here. So in order to paste them, I'm just going to change my format so that I can view them in a better way. So here we are right now. So like I said, library, then I come to application support. Then under this, I have to look for Adobe. So when you come to Adobe, you have to locate Camera RAW, and under this you have to look for the settings. So this is where we want to paste our presets. So you can simply hit Command V or Control V, and you can paste your presets right here, or you can just drag and drop them. So I'm just going to drag and drop them right there. So I'm just going to hit replace in order to paste my Omega presets right here. You can see that we have them right here, and if at all I open that, you can see that we have all the 8 presets right here. So I'm just going to come back into Photoshop, and this is the screenshot or the stamp visible layer that we created from the image that we did the retouching onto. So I want to show you guys how these presets can affect your images with just a single click. So in order to use these presets, this image has already been processed. So I'll show you guys the preset I used to, this is going to be like a baseline for the processing of the raw file. So this, you always have to apply this as a baseline for the color grading process. So if at all you have a raw file, you can simply come to, or if at all you're already in the camera raw filter, so just come to the camera raw filter, and when you come to the camera raw filter, it is going to open. Just come right here and you can see we have presets. So under presets, I'm just going to simply look for my presets right here. So let me just try to locate my presets. I think they are under user presets. So under user presets, I'm just going to scroll all the way down and look for my presets, which are right here. So after you have applied the Omega base preset, like I said, it is part of the presets that I'm going to give you guys, and there are around 8 presets. So after you have applied, it's going to make your image look like this. This is the very first step, and now you can see how Omega 1 affects the image. So when you just hover around or on top of the images, you're going to be looking at the effect in real time. So I'm just going to see that is Omega 1 look, and this is Omega 2 look. This is the Omega 3 look, Omega 4, which is a little bit natural, but it tells the blues in the image. Then this leaves everything in the natural form or natural way. Omega 6 makes everything look really natural and more realistic, but you have to take into consideration that it makes the greens a little bit saturated. If at all you have the greens, you have to reduce on the saturation of the greens, and this is the Omega 7 look. So for this particular image, I use the Omega 1 look. So when you click on it, and it has, when you click on it, that is when it applies the color grading onto the image. So in order to see what it has done to the image, you have to come to the basic adjustments, and if at all you want or you didn't want to affect the blues in the image, you can simply come to the HSO panel or under the hues, and you can simply make the blues really a blue by moving the blue towards the purple side to get back the original color of the blue. So you can see that this is the before and after, before, after. So these are going to be helping you guys to color grade faster with just a single click. And if at all you don't want such a look, you can come back to the presets and you can look maybe for Omega 3. I really love this Omega 3 look, and that is it. So you can see right now the before and after, before, after with just a single click of a button. So these are going to be helping you guys to color grade your outdoor images faster and better with just a single click. But sometimes these may not be working best for you if at all you shoot your images towards the cool side. So always make sure that you shoot, and always shoot above 5000 kelvins so that this can really be more effective onto your images. So this is going to be containing around 8 camera raw presets or Lightroom presets that are going to help you color grade better and faster in Camera Raw and Lightroom. And if at all you are interested in this preset pack, just click on the link in the description of this video, or you can simply check the pinned comment in the comment section of this specific video so that you can purchase this within the shortest time and you save time while color grading your outdoor images. This is all for this video. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in yet more tutorials. And don't forget to support this channel by purchasing these presets and color grade in a more professional way, and I'll see you in yet another video. And don't forget to keep practicing and keep creating.